Hey guys, we're going to change the oil and filter in this 2015 Nissan Altima in 7 seconds. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is take off the oil filler cap just to relieve pressure in there, and we'll go down and get the oil plug out of the oil pan. Okay, let's this oil plug out of here. This is 14 millimeter. Oh man! As always, I got some extra rags around here. Okay. Yeah, it's cooled off a little bit here this week. We have been in the low hundreds for about the last 7 or 10 days. I think it's supposed to get up to like 95 or something like that today, so it's still going to get warm, but 5 degrees makes a difference. And it's about noon right now. Alrighty, get back in there. I don't have a book on this Altima, but oil plugs are typically like 20-25 foot-pounds, and yeah, that was way over torqued. So we'll just all right. Now the filter. Yeah, they've got the filter in kind of an odd place in these cars. It is up here by the passenger wheel. Yeah, right there's the filter. Those are only supposed to be hand tight, plus a little, like a quarter turn. So we'll see here. Well, maybe they didn't over torque this one. It's on there pretty good, but I think it's coming. Get my right hand on it. Pretty handy thing. Okay, I'm going to move you guys out of the way so you don't get any oil in your face. Okay, here's the filter, XG6607 for synthetic oil. I did put some oil on the seal there. Alright, that's hand tight. very hand tight. Okay, that part's done. Okay, I did look in the manual here, and it is 25 foot-pounds of torque on the oil plug. I got 5 quarts of oil here. It says that with a filter change, 4.78 of a quart. So I'm going to put all 5 quarts in. Oh, and the manual does call for 0W20 synthetic oil, but this car's got some miles on it, and we live in Phoenix, Arizona, so 5W30 is going to be great for it. All right, you guys, that just about wraps it up. I always like to check underneath and see if there's any of that oil that I just put in being drained on the floor here. And then I'll check it again when I start it. I'll let it run a little bit, you know, under pressure, and make sure there's no leaks. Shouldn't be. Thanks for helping me out on that, you guys. Appreciate every single one of you. God bless, and you know, share this with a Nissan Altima owner or anybody. Changing oil's all the same, you know, basically. But take care. God bless. Love each and every one of you. See you next time.